welcome back to my channel. As you can see in the title of this video, I'm going to Mexico. If you can't hear me, I'm really sorry. It's like 1:30 a.m. and me and my sister are here. We're just waiting to board our plane. Officer Antonio Solis. Hey y'all, so we just got here to my grandma's house and oh my god, this place brings back so many memories. We are now in my father's house. This used to be my room, but he took it from me. Y'all, look at this dude. Look at this dude. Yo, check out the fit.
Que conduce la limusina.
You look like Stevie for a minute.
Who, me? Or Chris? Oh yeah, he's there.
We're at the store now and he got us snacks.
So first we got principes, really good. Barbecue parcel, adobo Mexican, tiki-taki, tapas, and adobo.
We literally out here on our fucking hood rat shit with these hoes. Good morning. This is day 2 of Mexico. It's like 10 right now and me and my sister just woke up, so that's why I look all busted.
Hurry up.
And my cafecito
Hurry up, cafecito.
with
You don't
Quima.
want
We out here on the farm. Say hi, Kyle.
Oh, look at the dog. Look at
Hey, y'all. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. I had my feet on him after he put his feet on me.
Dutchie.
2 hours later.
Alright, y'all, so this is the fit check. I did not know what to wear today. So I ended up doing a little bit more of my makeup and this is how it looks. We out in La Villa and we're about to go out on town. We out here. It's now day 3 and I just finished getting ready a little bit ago, but this is the fit and I'm just wearing some jeans, little jeans with my boots. This is like a better view of the fit. We out here.
Hey, it's good?
yeah, it's really good.
Like so
And for
good?
for me it's good. For my
Guys, we got ice cream. What you got? We just got back to my grandma's house from lunch with my grandpa for his birthday. Dude, big with the fat. Necesito ir. Me tengo que echar pelo. Y vino la policía.
La Popo.
We went to the store again because you already know.
So first we got whole mixed mango, chapatones, rip-off taki, empanadores, and a cute bag.
Shawty a little baddie.
Shawty a
She my little booty. Mira, mira. I'm back home now and I'm about to go upstairs. Probably gonna end it right here, but I'll see you guys for day 4 tomorrow. It is day 4 now and we didn't do anything all day. We've just kind of been in the house. This is the fit check. I almost fell over my suitcase, but this is my outfit. I love boys playing volleyball. We literally just went out like to church y luego ya regresamos y nos vamos a poner una chaqueta y luego vamos a bajar.
There's no other stores because if you go to the store over there,
We literally like we're just like playing here for like 3 hours, and like my cousins like we're like asked to help, and look at these fools. What are you doing? Guys, I freaking spit all over myself when we were eating freaking dude. Yo, what's up? It's Tuesday now, and I literally have been home all day, and it's like 3. I don't even know. But I got dressed. We're gonna go out like in a few hours, and right now we're going to church.
I can't imagine living here.
We at the store again because you already know. And then there's my cousin. We just got out from the baile. You can't really see me, but we're going back home now. Hey guys, it is day 6. It is Wednesday today, and I just got out of the shower, and I went to a baile last night, and I'm gonna go to another one today. So I'm gonna start getting ready for that. What's up, putas? I'm back at the baile. You already know this big ass stage. That's what we got going on. Guys, we had so much fun.
Oh my god!
We had so much fun.
Hey guys. Hola guys.
I just got home right now. I think it's like 12:30. I had a really good night, so yeah. But I'm gonna end day 6 here. What up, y'all?
What the hell?
It's day 7, and I just woke up right now. I couldn't go to sleep for some reason. Like, I just really couldn't. But yeah, I'm gonna go have some breakfast, and I'm probably gonna go to another baile today, but I'll keep y'all updated. So I just finished getting ready. This is the look, and right now I'm on my way to my friend's house. Yeah. No, where is it?
Open the window.
Oh, you look joyous. My eyes are green, I eat my veggies. I did puppy. The puppy. Not the puppy.
It popped.
Damn, bitch. What's up, guys? Last night, I was just chilling with my friend and my cousin, and we just all got together. We haven't seen each other in so long, and we ended up missing the baile, but I mean, it was worth it. There's plenty more to come anyway, but I just want to thank you guys so much for all the support that I have been given this year. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in week 2.